Welcome back to Chilltalk English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, and I'm excited because today is super practical.
I'm Henry, and today we're doing two fresh call center role plays for real-life English.
2 phone calls, 2 problems, and lots of easy phrases you can copy.
If you've ever called a company and felt nervous, this episode is for you.
And if you've never called, still listen because one day your phone will do something weird.
True, phones love drama.
Today's theme is phone company support. In call 1, someone's mobile data is too high. In call 2, someone has a broken screen and wants a repair.
We'll keep the English simple, clear, and natural.
And we'll explain key phrases as we go.
All right, let's jump in. Call 1. I'll be the support agent first.
Great, I'll be the customer. I'm already worried about my bill.
Hello, thank you for calling Blue Wave Mobile. This is Henry speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, sorry, did you say your name is Harry?
Not Harry, it's Henry. Henry.
Oh, Henry. Sorry about that.
No problem at all. How can I help you today?
My data use is really high this month, and I don't understand why.
I see. I can help you check that. First, may I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 702-555-0194.
Thank you. And can I have the name on the account?
It's Lina Park. Lina. Park like a park with trees.
Great. And for security, can you confirm your date of birth?
Yes, it's April 3rd, 2001.
Thank you, Miss Park. One moment while I pull up your account.
Sure.
Quick language tip. Pull up means open or look at information on a computer.
Exactly. If I say, let me pull up your account, I mean, let me open it on my screen.
Okay, I have your account here. I can see your data use went up in the last 2 months.
Yes, that's the problem.
Let's figure it out together. What kind of phone do you have?
I'm on an iPhone.
Perfect. And listeners, I'm on an iPhone means I use an iPhone.
It sounds like you are sitting on the phone, but it just means I use.
Right. Now, do you stream a lot of videos, like short videos, movies, live video?
Not really. I watch some clips, but not hours and hours.
Do you video call a lot?
Sometimes. Maybe once a week.
Do you upload photos or videos to social media often?
I post pictures sometimes, but I don't think it's that much.
Okay. Another common cause is apps running in the background.
Background, like behind the scenes?
Exactly. The app looks closed, but it is still using data.
Oh no, that sounds like my life. I look calm, but inside I'm using a lot of energy.
Same. Let's check your phone settings. Are you able to look at your phone now?
Yes, I can.
Great. If it's easier, you can put me on speaker.
Okay, 1 second. Done. You're on speaker now.
Perfect. Please open your settings.
Okay, I see settings.
Now scroll down and find cellular or mobile data.
I see cellular. I'll tap it.
Great. And listeners, tap is a common phone word. It means touch the screen.
Tap is like a soft touch, not a strong push.
Exactly. Now, on that screen, you should see your data usage. Do you see a list of apps?
Yes. Wow, there's a list, and some apps are using a lot.
Which apps are at the top?
Social Spark is number 1. That's my social media app.
That makes sense. Social media apps can use a lot of data because videos play automatically.
Automatically?
Yes, that means by itself, no action from you.
That is sneaky.
A little. Let's try an easy fix. Look for a switch that says Wi-Fi Assist or Mobile Data Assist.
I see Wi-Fi assist. It's on.
Okay, when that is on, your phone may use mobile data even when Wi-Fi is weak.
So my phone is like, Wi-Fi is not perfect, so I will use data.
Exactly. If you want to save data, you can turn it off.
Should I?
If you are worried about data, yes, it can help, but sometimes it makes the internet slower.
Okay, I'll turn it off. Done.
Great. Next, let's reduce video data use. Go back to the main settings screen.
Okay, I'm back.
Find Social Spark in your app list.
Found it.
Open it and look for video or autoplay.
I see autoplay. It says always.
That will use data. Change it to Wi-Fi only or never if you can.
I see Wi-Fi only. I'm choosing that.
Great choice. And listeners, choose and select are the same idea.
Also, I'm choosing that is a simple way to speak while you do it.
Exactly.
Can I ask something?
Sure.
Could my phone be broken? Like, is something wrong with it?
It's possible, but usually it's settings or app behavior. Another big reason is cloud backup.
Backup, like saving my photos online?
Yes, sometimes your phone uploads photos and videos using mobile data.
That sounds expensive.
It can be. Let's check. In Settings, search for Photos.
Okay, photos.
Look for mobile data or cellular data.
I see cellular data and it's on.
If you turn that off, photos will upload only on Wi-Fi.
That sounds safer for my data. Turning it off now.
Great.
So far, I learned 3 big words: pull up, tap, and autoplay.
Nice. Another useful phrase is run in the background.
Like, this app runs in the background.
Perfect. Now, there's one more thing that often surprises people. App updates.
Updates can use data?
Yes, if your phone downloads updates on mobile data.
Okay, how do we stop that?
Go to Settings, then App Store.
I see it.
Look for Automatic Downloads and make sure Use Mobile Data is off.
Found it. It was on. Turning it off.
That's a big win.
Henry, you're like a data detective.
A very tired detective, but yes.
Okay, so will my bill go down right away?
Your future data use should go down, but the data already used this month will stay on the bill.
That makes sense.
One more helpful habit: connect to trusted Wi-Fi at home and work.
Trusted meaning safe?
Safer, yes. Password-protected networks, you know. Public Wi-Fi can be risky.
So I should not send private information on public Wi-Fi.
Exactly. Things like passwords, banking, personal documents.
Got it.
Before we finish, can I give you a simple way to track data?
Yes, please.
In your cellular settings, you can see which apps use data. Check it once a week.
Like a weekly checkup?
Perfect. If one app looks too high, you can change its settings or limit its mobile data.
Okay, this is super helpful.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you, Henry.
You're welcome. One last thing, would you be willing to answer a short survey after the call?
Yes, sure. You helped me a lot.
Thank you. And thank you for calling Blue Wave Mobile. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, that was call 1.
And it had a nice problem-solving flow. Verify account, check settings, change a few switches.
Also, it started with a funny name mistake. Those are so real on phone calls.
Very real. And now, call 2.
In call 2, we keep the phone company theme, but the problem changes.
Screen damage, insurance questions, repair steps.
I'll be the agent this time.
Perfect. I will be the customer. I will sound confident, but inside, I'm panicking.
Hello, thanks for calling Sun Trail Wireless. This is Emma. How may I assist you?
Hi, Emma. I hope you can help me. I dropped my phone and the screen is cracked.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see what we can do. Can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, it's 312-555-0448.
Thank you. And what is the name on the account?
Daniel Rivera.
Thank you, Mr. Rivera. For security, can you confirm your billing zip code?
Yes, it's 60614.
Great. One moment while I look up your plan.
Sure. Listeners, look up is similar to pull up. It means search and find information.
Exactly. Let me look that up is a super common customer service phrase. Okay, I see your account. It looks like you bought your phone about 5 months ago.
Yes, that's right.
Do you have damage protection on your plan?
I think so. I'm not sure.
No problem. I can check. Good news. You do have our Plus Care coverage.
Thank goodness.
It includes one screen repair with a small service fee.
A fee, like extra money?
Yes, a service fee is a smaller payment for the repair service.
Okay, how much is it?
For your model, it's $29.
That's not too bad.
And we can usually fix it the same day, depending on the store.
Great. So, how do I get it repaired?
You have two options. Option 1, visit an authorized repair shop. Option 2, mail your phone to our repair center.
Authorized means approved?
Exactly. Authorized means the company says, yes, this repair shop is official.
Okay. I prefer in person. Mailing sounds stressful.
Totally understandable. In person is faster for many people.
What do I need to bring?
Please bring your phone and a photo ID.
Photo ID, like my driver's license?
Yes, a driver's license is perfect. A passport also works.
Good. I have my license. How do I find an authorized repair shop near me?
I can text you a link with a list of locations.
That would be great.
Okay, I just sent it. You should receive it in a moment.
Let me check. Yes, I got it. Thanks.
Great. Now, do you want an estimate for how long the repair will take?
Yes, please.
Most screen repairs take about 45 to 90 minutes.
Nice. So I can wait there?
Usually, yes, but it depends on how busy they are.
Busy meaning many customers.
Exactly.
What about the shop hours? Are they open late?
Hours vary by location. I recommend checking the store page in that link.
Okay, I can do that. I have a question. Will they erase my phone?
Great question. Usually, a screen repair does not erase your data, but we always recommend doing a backup first.
Backup again. That word is everywhere today.
It's an important word. A backup is a safe copy of your information.
How do I back up quickly?
The easiest way is to connect to Wi-Fi, plug your phone in to charge, and use your cloud backup.
Okay, I can do that tonight. One more thing. The crack is small, but I can feel it with my finger. Is it still okay to use?
I understand. It may still work, but it can get worse. Also, small glass pieces can be dangerous.
Yeah, I don't want free finger cuts.
No one wants that. If you can, try to repair it soon.
I will.
Also, here's a helpful phrase for you at the repair shop. You can say, I have coverage and I'm here for a screen repair.
Nice. Simple.
Another helpful phrase, do you have an estimated wait time?
Estimated wait time. That's very useful. What if they say they don't have time today?
Then you can ask, "Can I make an appointment?"
Appointment means a scheduled time.
Exactly. Or you can ask, "When is your next available time?"
Great.
Before we finish, can you tell me your phone model, just to make sure the fee I gave you is correct?
It's a Sun Trail Nova 8.
Perfect. Yes, USD 29 service fee for Nova 8 with Plus Care is correct.
Great. You've been super helpful, Emma.
I'm happy I could help. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all.
Okay. After we end the call, you may get a short survey by text.
Sure, I can do that.
Thank you for calling Sun Trail Wireless, and good luck with the repair.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.
Pete. That was called too.
Nice and clear. Also, I loved your line, "I don't want free finger cuts."
I'm available for more jokes, but only on weekends. Dry chuckle.
Now, let's review a few key phrases from both calls.
Yes, quick and simple.
Phrase 1. How can I help you today?
Super common greeting. Friendly and professional.
Phrase 2. For security, can you confirm?
This is how companies verify identity.
Phrase 3. One moment while I look that up.
It buys time, and it sounds polite.
Phrase 4. Tap, turn it off, switch, settings.
Useful for phone instructions.
Phrase 5. Authorized repair shop.
Approved official store.
Phrase 6. Estimate and it depends.
Estimate means a guess based on experience. It depends means it can change.
And for learners, here's a speaking tip.
When you call support, you don't need fancy English.
Yes, use short sentences, speak slowly, ask them to repeat.
You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Or, "Could you spell that, please?"
Perfect.
Also, do not be shy about checking your phone while you talk. You can say, "1 second, I'm looking now."
Or, "Okay, I'm in settings." Great live action phrases.
Before we go, let's do a tiny mini practice.
You repeat after Emma.
Okay, listeners, say, "My data use is higher than usual."
My data use is higher than usual.
Say, "Can you help me check which apps use data?"
Can you help me check which apps use data?
Say, "I dropped my phone and the screen is cracked."
I dropped my phone and the screen is cracked.
Do I have coverage for a screen repair?
Do I have coverage for a screen repair?
Nice work. If you shadow this episode, your phone call English will improve fast.
Thanks for hanging out with us on Chill Talk English.
See you next time.
Bye.